A lawsuit has been filed today for damages for the wrongful death of Danny Fitzpatrick against the Holy Angels Catholic Academy, the Archdiocese, and other defendants for wrongful death as a result of the bullying of young Danny Fitzpatrick, a 13-year-old. This family has brought this lawsuit to get justice. They've also brought this lawsuit because they believe strongly that they don't want this to happen to anyone else.
A plan that we have, I've met with Congressman Daniel Donovan and asked him, his office formally, if they would allow a meeting with Melania Trump and I. Since Melania Trump has a platform on bullying, I'd like an opportunity to tell her my son Danny's story. And I'd also like an opportunity to see if we can create a federal bully law, because this country needs a federal bully law. No child should be exempt from being protected in any law. I want to see legislation for this country. My son Danny suffered, and now we're suffering because he chose to end his life from bullying, and I don't want to see any other child end their life.
That day, it was like a normal day. I got up that morning just to make him breakfast, and he seemed to enjoy it. I made him tie-dyed pancakes with marshmallow filling, and he was so happy about it. He couldn't stop smiling. He ate all of them. He went on the computer that day, but I had to finish some work, so I kicked him off it. And right before he got off, he gave me a hug and kiss, and he said, "I love you, Kristen." And then he went upstairs and said he was going to go watch some videos in my parents' room. At 5 o'clock rolled around, and I needed to go fix him up some dinner. So I called his name, and he didn't respond. And so I went looking for him through all the rooms of the house. And I looked in my parents' room, and then his room, my room, the bathroom. And then thought maybe he had a guitar lesson. I called his phone, and it went straight to voicemail. And the last room I thought to look was the attic. And then when I opened the attic door, I just saw his legs. And I just thought he was standing there, and I was like, "Come on, Danny, let's go." And he didn't move. And then when I really looked at him and I saw him, I thought it was a joke at first. And then I didn't see he was moving, so I ran and I tried to pick him up, and I couldn't. I just started freaking out, and I ran up the stairs, and I called my parents.
Danny was what every father wants in their son. Loving, affectionate, happy.
I loved my son with all my heart.